Welcome to Advantage Chiropractic.
Well, it's made a big difference because Michael had numerous ear infections, and we haven't had hardly any now. His eczema, his severe eczema, is almost all gone, and it made a huge difference with that. Jonathan has ADD, and that's made a difference in that. It's made a difference in myself because being pregnant now has helped along with that, and it's helped my husband.
The first adjustment, we saw great results in her colic, and I think by 7 weeks and after maybe 5 visits, she was not colicky anymore. So we kept coming back with Amaya and my husband and myself, and we didn't get sick, I don't think, for the first 18 months of Amaya's life.
Awesome.
And then maybe a cold. Never any ear infections or anything.